If you're over 40 and struggling with low mood, brain fog, or feeling emotionally flat, your nervous system might not be getting the nutrients it needs to make the neurotransmitters that regulate your mood. These 10 foods can help calm your nervous system and support mental well-being naturally. Number 1. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines, rich in omega-3s that reduce brain inflammation and support serotonin production. 2. Dark leafy greens, spinach and kale provide folate, which your brain needs to make dopamine. 3. Fermented foods like yogurt and sauerkraut. They support your gut-brain connection through healthy bacteria. 4. Walnuts. They're packed with omega-3s and magnesium for nerve health. 5. Dark chocolate. At least 70% cacao, which boosts serotonin naturally. 6. Berries. Blueberries and strawberries fight oxidative stress in your brain. 7. Eggs. They contain choline, which supports mood-regulating neurotransmitters. 8. Pumpkin seeds, loaded with zinc and magnesium that calm your nervous system. 9. Bananas. They provide tryptophan, which converts to serotonin. And 10. Green tea. It contains L-theanine, which promotes calm focus. Here's what's happening. Your nervous system needs specific nutrients, omega-3s, B vitamins, magnesium, and amino acids to produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. After 40, nutrient absorption decreases and stress depletes these reserves faster. Adding these foods helps restore what your nervous system needs to regulate mood naturally. You don't need all 10 at once. Start with 2 or 3. Eat them consistently and notice how your body responds. Small, steady changes support your nervous system best. Follow for more nervous system nutrition tips. Your well-being matters.